Welcome to IdleLogic, brought to you by Iantra. IdleLogic is the newest technology in engine idle reduction with its battery-based electric BPU system. It's the best choice when you need to stop, stay, and save. Stop wasting fuel, stop those high-maintenance costs, and stop driver's fatigue. Now, stay smart way, environmentally friendly, stay compliant with mandatory idle laws, and stay comfortable. The best way to save money by lowering your fuel cost, save on maintenance costs, and the best part, the return on investment is less than 1 year. IdleLogic is designed, assembled, and supported right here in the United States. Now, let's jump into the presentation and start talking about the IdleLogic battery-based electric BPU system. In this brief presentation, we'll be covering the following. Number 1, what is the IdleLogic system? 2 is about how the IdleLogic system works. Now, number 3 is the best. It's about the savings you'll see. 4, installation and how easy it is. And we'll end with number 5, warranty and customer support. So, what is IdleLogic? IdleLogic is a next-generation battery-based electric BPU system designed to eliminate unnecessary idling in Class 8 sleeper trucks. Every year, fleets lose thousands of dollars per truck to fuel waste, engine wear, and emissions caused by idling. IdleLogic solves this with our battery-based idle reduction module, an intelligent control system that charges and manages a dedicated high-performance battery bank. While the truck is running, the truck's OEM alternator charges both the OEM batteries and the IdleLogic dedicated battery bank. When the engine shuts off, IdleLogic automatically powers the truck's sleeper load, HVAC, and inverters, without the engine idling or using diesel fuel. With fleet-savvy telemetry, fleets and drivers get real-time monitoring, diagnostics, and performance data, anywhere, anytime. The result? Lower fuel costs, less engine wear, and quiet, clean, reliable power for drivers. IdleLogic. Smarter power, no idling. How the IdleLogic system works? The IdleLogic system has its own set of batteries, giving drivers all the power they'll need. These dedicated batteries are stored underneath the sleeper bunk, along with the IdleLogic box. These LiFePO4 batteries are charged by the truck's alternator, while the truck is running and charging the OEM AGM batteries banks as well. Once the driver has completed their allotted drive time and is required to take the rest period, the IdleLogic system is ready for use. The IdleLogic system will sense a load from the inverter or the eHVAC circuit and switch from being charged to supplying the power needed. The IdleLogic's power supply can deliver up to 16 hours of power usage without the truck's engine starting to recharge the batteries. Now the driver is rested because they weren't bothered by a noisy APU turning on and off all night. The driver will also save fuel, and there will be no worry about if the OEM batteries got drained, because the IdleLogic system is separate from that battery bank. Now, for many years, the trucking industry has had diesel-powered APU systems, alternative power units. Well, there are many issues here. 1, they still use diesel fuel to run. 2, they are loud and noisy when they start and run throughout the night, keeping drivers awake. And 3, they add to your maintenance costs. The biggest problem is the price tag, anywhere up to $12,000 per unit. Now, you can see from the chart that installing a diesel-powered APU system on a truck only slows down the overall expense. But what if there was a system that could be cost-effective and, over time, actually save you money? There is, and that is the IdleLogic battery-based BPU system. By year 2, the IdleLogic system is saving you almost $7,650 a year just in fuel cost per truck. And with most fleets averaging over 50 Class 8 units, that is a lot of savings. Now, the ROI is the best part. In simple terms, when your Class 8 sleeper truck is idling for 1 hour, it is equivalent to 27 miles of engine wear. In a year's time, that 2,550 hours of engine idle is the same as driving another 70,000 miles more a year. And with an increase from service intervals, that is another $1.75 an hour for each hour you idle. So with every dollar you invest by using the IdleLogic system, you are getting $9 back in savings. You're saving around $38,250 in fuel, around $28,246 in engine maintenance, and your total savings in year 5 is around $66,500. With an investment of only $5,800, the ROI in the first year is 96%, and by year 5, it jumps to 880%. That's not just smart, that's logic. With the technical and savings information out of the way, let's talk about how easy the IdleLogic system is to install. Iantra wanted to make a product that was simple to use and easy to install for both dealers, repairs shops, and fleet owners. The IRM box and batteries are pretty much a plug-and-play system, which can be configured throughout the sleeper area of the truck to accommodate an all makes and all models of Class 8 sleeper trucks with an electric HVAC system, EPU. When you place an order with Iantra for the IdleLogic system, you get the following: the IdleLogic module box and all the cables necessary to run from the truck's OEM batteries to the IRM and from the IRM to the inverter and EHVAC load. During your first install, a Iantra service representative can be on site to assist you with installing the IdleLogic system. If at any time you require assistance, you can contact us directly. A customer service rep will be available to assist you. We'll wrap up with our warranty and customer support. Each IdleLogic unit ships with a full 3-year limited warranty to ensure repair or replacement of any unit that should fail for any reason other than abuse. This 3-year warranty also covers the LiFePO4 batteries. It's simple, just unplug and ship it back to us. We'll either repair the unit or send you a new IdleLogic system. Now, with each purchase of a IdleLogic system, you also get a 3-year subscription to our Fleet Savvy telemetry and portal. This software is great to check in real time how many gallons your battery-based BPU saved you in idle hours and fuel used. The system will actually show the real cost in fuel savings. Now, after the 3-year initial subscription of Fleet Savvy, you can extend the subscription or continue to run the IdleLogic system without. The system will always work, even with no or an expired subscription. We also wanted to always make sure we had you covered, and that is with our extended warranty option. With the cost of Class 8 trucks increasing every year, keeping them on the road and covered is a major concern, but don't worry. IdleLogic has options for you and your fleet. Just ask our sales rep about more details. And now for customer support. No matter if you're installing your 50th unit, need help diagnosing a problem with your electric APU, we are here to assist you. Every customer is important to us here, and our trained technical staff is ready. We can walk you through the steps in ordering a new unit, installation, and warranty. You can call or email us with your questions or concerns. I really hope you have enjoyed this presentation of the IdleLogic Idle Reduction Module Series 7600. To request your free 60-day demo, please contact us at the following email: info@idlelogic.com, or visit our website for more information at idlelogic.com. A sales rep will be more than happy to assist you in taking the next step. Check us out for more information, new videos about the IdleLogic system, and look for us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram.